In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple Slack accounts. If you work with more than one company, client, or team, you've probably found yourself constantly jumping between different Slack workspaces. The good news is that Slack is actually designed to handle this really smoothly. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add multiple workspaces to your Slack app and switch between them quickly without logging in and out every time. Let's start from wherever you are right now in Slack. Look up to the top left corner of the Slack window or app. You'll see an icon for your current workspace. This might be a logo, an initial, or a small image representing the team you're in. Go ahead and click that workspace icon. This is your main entry point for managing all of your Slack workspaces in one place. When you click that icon, a menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Add a Workspace. This is what lets you connect another Slack account to your app. Click Add a Workspace, and Slack will give you a couple of choices, such as sign in to another workspace or join a workspace. If you already have an existing workspace you've used before, you'll usually choose sign in to another workspace. If you've been invited to a new team and need to get set up for the first time, you might choose join a workspace and follow the prompts there. Both options ultimately bring you to a sign-in flow. Next, Slack will ask you to log in. Here, you'll either enter the email and password associated with that workspace, or you might be asked for the workspace URL. If you're not sure what that URL is, it's often something like your team name followed by slack.com. Take a moment to double-check your details so you don't run into any login errors. Once everything looks good, sign in, and Slack will add this new workspace to your app. Now that you have multiple workspaces connected, switching between them is simple. Go back to that same workspace icon in the top left corner. When you click it, you'll now see a list of all the workspaces you're signed into. Just select the one you want, and Slack will instantly switch over. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Command, Shift, and S on a Mac, or Control, Shift, and S on Windows or Linux. This opens the workspace switcher so you can quickly toggle between accounts without taking your hands off the keyboard. And that's all you need to start using multiple Slack accounts efficiently in a single app.